AAG recommends this 3 bedrooms condo. Spacious living and dining area. Enjoy your me moment at this balcony. Functional kitchenette for those who love to cook. Spacious bedrooms for your family. Spacious master bedroom that can fit a good-sized bed. Supermarket is just minutes away. Excellent amenities within walking distance. Call our AAG Real Estate Consultant to find out more.
AAG, the #1 top division in orange tea and Thai.